Hello, this is Deborah Baker, and welcome to my EC Council SOC 2 compliance course. I am thrilled to be guiding you through this essential journey towards achieving and maintaining SOC 2 compliance for your organization. In today's business environment, ensuring the security, availability, processing integrity, confidentiality, and privacy of customer data is more critical than ever. SOC 2 compliance is a key framework that helps service organizations demonstrate their commitment to these principles. This course is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of SOC 2 compliance. Whether you are preparing for your first SOC 2 audit or looking to enhance your existing compliance program, this course will equip you with the knowledge and the tools you need. Throughout this course, you will learn the importance of SOC 2 compliance and its role in today's regulatory landscape, how to understand and implement the trust service criteria, effective strategies for preparing for a SOC 2 audit, steps to design and document robust controls, best practices for working with auditors and navigating the audit process, and techniques for maintaining compliance post-audit through continuous monitoring and improvement. We will explore each aspect of SOC 2 compliance, from scoping your audit to building an effective control environment and gathering necessary documentation and evidence. You'll gain practical insights into how to navigate the audit process and avoid common pitfalls. Section 1 is Introduction to SOC 2 Compliance, understanding the importance of SOC 2 and the trust service criteria. Section 2 is Preparing for the audit, steps to scope the audit, build an effective control environment, and gather documentation. Section 3 is about navigating the audit process, best practices for working with auditors and managing the audit process effectively. Section 4 is about maintaining compliance post-audit, strategies for continuous monitoring, updating controls, and preparing for subsequent audits. There are no prerequisites for this course. Thank you for choosing this course to advance your SOC 2 compliance knowledge and skills. Let's get started on this journey to building a secure and compliant organization. Welcome to the SOC 2 compliance course. Let's embark on this crucial journey together. Here we go.